Hi, this is Bernadette with By the Book Accounting, and I wanted to come on and share a quick video just to show you how I like answering questions that I get a lot from my clients. And so a lot of people don't realize how powerful QuickBooks is and don't realize all of the things that you can do in QuickBooks. So in this very short video, I just want to give you an overview of a lot of the things that you can do in QuickBooks, and it's much, much more than a check register. It's much more than something that you create invoices and receive payments in. It is a very powerful tool. And so one of the things that I want you to realize is, as a business owner, it's important for you to understand how much money you're making, how much money you've spent, who owes you money, who do you owe money to, how, if you're making a profit, if you have a loss, all of those kinds of things. And that is what you will be able to do if you use at least just half of the functions that are in QuickBooks. And so one of the things that I love about this part right here is you can kind of see at a glance. And I guess I should say that this is a sample company. I'm not sharing any of my clients' information, but this is a sample company, so it's a fake company, but it has data in here just so that you can see. So I want to jump straight to the reports just to show you some of the reports that you can pull when you use QuickBooks. So when you have data in your QuickBooks file, these are all of the reports, which is probably overwhelming to many of you, but I just want to jump in and show you just a few of them. So the profit and loss report is one that is the most common report. What this report shares is how much money you've made, as well as how much money you have spent. And you get to see it all at a glance. And so if you are keeping track of your income and expenses on a daily, weekly, or even monthly basis, you can come into QuickBooks and pull a profit and loss report just to see how you're doing. And so this helps you to be able to make decisions in your business. It helps you to see, some days you may get tired and you're not sure if this is even working. So by looking at your profit and loss statement, you can see where your income is coming in, where are your expenses, if there are things that you can cut out, not to mention that having this stuff entered on a regular basis makes tax time so much easier. The clients that I have that actually use QuickBooks for the way that it was designed, they really do look forward to tax season because it's easy. It's not burdensome to get prepared for taxes because they have been preparing all year long. So this is one of the statements or reports that you can pull. You can also pull a balance sheet. You can do a comparison. So if you have your information in here from a prior year, you would be able to see how you're doing. And this is a sample company, so this is probably a bad example for this video, but you can see how you're doing this month as compared to either the year to date, or you can compare it to the previous year. And so this one probably doesn't have enough data to be able to show you that, but so sorry. That wasn't a good example, but you get the point. There are lots and lots of things that you can do in here. This is one of my favorites too, is the business snapshot. And in here you can see, if you're not a numbers person, you can see it visually. This graph is beautiful because it can show you where your income is coming from, where your expenses are going, how are you doing in comparison to this time last year, this quarter last year. So a lot of great stuff. Just make sure that you're using QuickBooks for more than just a tool to send invoices or run payroll. You want to be able to use QuickBooks to truly manage your business. And if this is something that you need training on, this is a service that we do provide at By the Book Accounting. So definitely check us out and let us know if we can help. If you're familiar with the software and you may not need training, we can get you a discount on the software. So I will provide a link to our form to request that discount, and you can continue to work with whomever you're already working with. So again, hopefully this video was helpful. I like to try to keep them short because I want to just answer the question at hand. So have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.